Kinong hikai lambat ki Khynnah Skul joka New Era Secondary School Kharwi Mer Mausmai Riboy District mentakas ngi ka khatlai trik ujeliu ar poar daka jingkemen bar ka jing sngo sarong kila penkup burom ya usohan thapa ubadai usamla puli na kate ka shlam ajing sta ubala Wanrah ka nampat ka burom ka skul ubala yo ka kerdan ba khatsan na pedengki arpo haka exam Sslc jong usnam ar poar Hakati gasngi lawan ban ai mensi me uti usamla da ka jinga don rengkat lang UMLE ka jirang uba sostino sotun kumu kongsan par urang ba shnong joka mausmai ba nakaliang UMLE ula ai ka jinga rap ru da ka song pisa sha uti usamla pule bar ula kularu ba unsa ai sngo bha da ka laptop sha uni usamla kum ka buram ya u Laban kedawi kan ka skul la seng haus nam ar lai hakas nau maus mai bar kadang bon bah kijing duna na du ke ying skul hadu ki tiar pendon kam hapo kamar kelas henry wala kata kara sei pat ki Khynnah ki bastat menta usnam ki bayale ka matrik khat san ngut bat ki ba pas kilong khalai ngut na pedeng kini usohan thapa ulayo ka kerdan ba khat san bat star mark haki san subject Ulayo ru shispa mark haka subject science pat uday ru uba he mark tam haka subject Nepali habaro kawe kajilla.
It shocks me and everyone when we heard about the news that this New Era Secondary School, this incomplete building with no plaster, with additional classroom, just better. But students coming out in flying colors. This keep in everyone's mind that no one can stop anyone from achieving any goal. Especially my dear students, boys and girls, no one can stop you from achieving even the top of the top in the SSLC exam. Big congratulations to Master Sohan Thapa.
The top 15 position. Firstly, I would like to thank our MLA sir who visited the village and encouraged us, thanks to me and help us giving his valuable time. He has lot of work to do, but even though he came here and visited us and helped us, so that's all I can say. Like thanks teacher also who worked hard. Teachers and my parents, and also I would like to thank my tuition sir who helped me a lot to achieve the top 15, to secure the top 15 position in Meghalaya and to score 92%. That's all I can say.